In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off showing holiday events in Memories on Photos app on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Photos, then get into it, and then scroll all the way down until you find that option which is called Show Holiday Events. You can choose to see timely holiday events and those of your home country or region. To turn on or off that option, just turn on or off this button next to it. That's how we can easily turn on or off showing of holiday events on our iPhones. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.